Hey everybody, it's great to see you. All right, today we're going to be doing a book called There's an Alligator Under My Bed. You see him? There's an alligator right there. But first, I want to show you. I wore my alligator bracelet. Look at that. Is that so cool? It goes all the way around my wrist. His tail wraps all the way around. See his feet and his big snout and his eyes. He's really sparkly. I like him. And we have our alligator pie song that we like to sing in class. There's a lot of rhymes. We have our clapping rhythms that we do with it. So I'm going to back all the way up. We're going to do pat clap first. I'm going to put it right here so I remember the words. It goes like this. Let's start our pat clap. Alligator pie, alligator pie. If I don't get some, I think I'm gonna cry. Take away the green grass, take away the sky, but don't take away my alligator pie. Let's change it. Alligator soup, alligator soup. If I don't get some, I think I'm gonna droop. Take away my hockey stick, take away my hoop, but don't take away my alligator soup. Let's make it harder. Alligator stew, alligator stew. If I don't get some, I don't know what I'll do. Take away my furry hat, take away my shoe, but don't take away my alligator stew. Good job, you guys. You gotta practice those clapping rhythms. Those are a lot of fun. We also have this letter. What letter is that? It's the letter G. The capital G and the lowercase g. G says G. Sometimes it says J, but most of the time it says G here for goat. Is our sign language G? See, the pointer finger and the thumb are separated just a little bit. It shows you the front of the hand and the back of the hand so you can see. That's our G. And our three fingers are tucked in. And it says G. We're going to use this letter again in our book. It's for a word that's very, very important in our book. So let's go ahead and look at our story. It says, there's an alligator under my bed. You see that alligator right there? There's no author or illustrator written on this part of the book. Let's look at the spine. See anything on the spine? It's upside down. Just the title again. It says over here, there's an alligator under my bed. Nothing on the back either. That's just the publisher down here. There's the alligator. I don't have an alligator under my bed. I have one in my jewelry box, but none under my bed. Under my bed, I have boxes of stuff under my bed. Maggie she has kind of a high bed, so she has a cave under her bed, and it has stuffed animals and a bean bag, some blankets. That's what's under her bed. And Aurora has what's called a loft bed. Her bed's really high up. She has a desk under her bed and a dresser under her bed, but no alligators. Let's see what happens. There's our title page. It says, there's an alligator under my bed. There it says the author and illustrator. It says written and illustrated by Mercer Meyer. There's nobody in the bed or under it right now. There's a dedication page. It says, to Alburn and Philip. This little picture says from Jessie. Wow, look at that picture. There's a lot going on here. What's he holding in his hands? See some toys down here. It says, there used to be an alligator under my bed. When it was time to go to sleep, I had to be very careful. There he goes. He's going up that ramp. It's also called an inclined plane. But why is he using a ramp? I think my pages are stuck together. Ooh, it says, because I knew he was there. But whenever I looked, he hid. Or something. Look at that, he just knows he's there. But the alligator hid. Do you see him? I do. So I'd call Mom and Dad. Do you think Mom and Dad are going to find him? But they never saw it. It was up to me. I just had to do something about this alligator. It goes down the ramp. So I went to the kitchen to get some alligator bait. I wonder what alligators eat. I filled a paper bag full of things alligators like to eat. And he's taking all that food out of the refrigerator. I put a peanut butter sandwich, some fruit, and the last piece of pie in the garage. There's that G word I was telling you about. The garage is going to be an important place. Look at that. There's some food. It's in the garage. Goes up the stairs. I put cookies down the hall. I left fresh vegetables on the stairs. What's he doing? Do you know why he's doing all that? I put a soda and some candy next to my bed. Then I watched and waited. Sure enough, out he came to get something to eat. Is the alligator going to eat all that food? Then I hid in the hall closet. I followed him down the stairs. It's a really big alligator. I followed him down the hall. When he crawled into the garage, there's the garage again. What's he gonna do? I slammed the door and I locked it. Then I went to bed. There wasn't even any mess to clean up. Now that there's an alligator in the garage, I wonder if my dad will have any trouble getting in his car tomorrow morning. Uh-oh. The alligator's in the garage now. How's Dad going to get to his car? I'll just leave him a note. It says, Dear Dad, there's an alligator in the garage. If you need help, wake me up. Warning, be careful. He drew a picture. I wonder what Dad's going to do now that there's an alligator in the garage. That might be a little challenging. Have you ever seen an alligator before? They live near us. If you live out near any water, I know there's some of the golf courses with lakes. The alligators like to hang out in those sometimes, in the ponds. They like to hang out in the bayous. And I wonder what alligators eat. Do a little bit of research and then find out what alligators eat. There's a lot of fun videos about alligators too, and I'll put the link on here, but Mercer Meyer, he reads this story too, and he does a really good job of it. I like it when he reads this story. Now, some of you are wondering what I do when I'm at home. I like to read too. So I get this magazine. It's called Science News. I love science. I think it's really interesting. But this has all kinds of different things in it. Here on the cover, it says Spying on Life in Arctic Winter. It's really cold where the Arctic is. You can look that up. It's opposite of here. See what they're wearing? They're wearing big snowsuits and gloves. They have hats, scarves, face goggles. And right here he has a drill. See if you can figure out what he's doing. It's called a core sampler. It drills down, takes a core sample of the ice. But also, in a Science News magazine, there's an article about playgrounds. Look at that. It says building playgrounds that get kids moving. They're talking about building super cool, fun playgrounds in my science magazine. So that's neat too, because I like playgrounds. I know you all like playgrounds too. And hopefully, when everybody gets to go back out again and have fun, y'all can go to the playground and have some fun too. I will talk to you later. Love you. Bye.